101boxbreaks.com. What's up? Doing some Prizm draft picks. Personal box breaks. This one's for Enjoli YA. No Motive Girl on the chat. What's up? It's Heavy D. The Boom Factory. Come on, 101boxbreaks.com, guys. See if we can pull a little bit of nastiness out of this stuff, huh? We pulled some pretty good stuff. Some Colorados, a Gurley. No Winston or Mariota yet, though. Probably pretty hard to get your hands on. All right, pack one for you, Inge. Good luck to you. Here we go. We got Arian Foster, Calvin Benjamin, and then a little Devin Funchness. Stained glass card. Nelson Aguilar and Jaquiski Tart, I believe, of the 49ers. These things have just, I've been fighting these packs the whole time, guys. So what's up? How's everybody doing? Jeremy Hill, Justin Houston. Then we have, how about a little Charles Woodson defense card there, huh? Little throwback action. Andrus Pete and Paul Dawson. Closing in on the end of the promo, guys. Just 2 boxes left. Giving away some nasty little Drew Brees. Camo refractor there. That's going to be numbered. That's 92 out of 199. Another nice insert. Marshawn Lynch mob refractor. Ty Montgomery. Crowder. Montgomery went what, to the Packers? I believe so. Where's that first hit? Drew Brees. Dez Bryant. AJ Can refractor. Antoine Goodley. So it's Monday. Starting the week off. Hope everyone's having a good one so far. Nice little Austin Hill, red, white, and blue refractor. 25 out of 25. Keep that eBay 101 streak going. Birthday parties will do that to you. Tony Lippett, Michael Pruitt. Yeah, Evan had his birthday not too long ago, and mine was the next weekend. I didn't even really want to do anything for mine. Blake Bortles, Tyler Lockett and Loaded. Team trademarks. Dreamiest Smith. All right, where's all the auto action at in here, huh? Maybe they're just saving something nasty for us. Let's see. Andy Dalton. Andre Ellington. First one coming up here. Going to be Andrus Pete. A Pete. A Pete. There you go. Hit number 1. Eric Flowers, Mario Edwards Jr. Remember, too, you get your 8 entries with your box purchase for the Marcus Mariota. Jameis Winston giveaway. That's right. It's not just 1, it's 8. The divisional, they each got 4. There's been a couple breaks up, including the 5-box mixer tonight, where you've gotten 1 entry each. There's tons of entries. Tons of chances. Jay Cutler. RG3. Jordan James refractor. Philip Dorsett and Cody Pruitt. Well, I'm hoping to throw another little nastiness in here towards the end. 3 packs left. Eddie Lacy. Paul Posluszny. Landon Collins. Die-cut helmets. Lael Collins. Pulled a Lael tie-dye auto the other day. For somebody. Derek, dude, where's my car? Matthew Stafford. This is a pretty good auto right here. Devin Funchess. Nice little D-Funch. That's what I call him anyway. Little D-Funch auto there. One of the better ones we've seen. Joanne and Jordan Phillips. You got one pack left. Come on, throw another auto in. Just cuz. Just for Inge. Charles Woodson. Le'Veon Bell and Quan Bolden Refractor. Then we got Chris Conley and AJ Cann. So there you go, Inge. There's your box. The D-Funch kind of saved it. Not bad, though. Not bad at all. You got your 8 entries for the Winston Mariota from 101boxbreaks.com. Take a quick note here. We're going to save this video, and I'll be right back with you. Thanks for hanging in there, guys.